Nagbabalik ang ele ng San Antonio Spurs. Matapos ba naman ma-eject nung Game 4? Naghalimaw na dito si Victor Wembanyama. Binuli ba naman itong si Rudy Gobert? Mukhang gusto naman niya ditong ma-injury ang ele ng San Antonio Spurs. Heto na ang Game 5 ng San Antonio Spurs versus Minnesota Timberwolves. Sa pagkakataon naman ito, balik naman sa home court nila ni Victor Wembanyama. Sino naman dito makakaabante sa kanila ni Anthony Edwards? Well, unang quarter, nasimulan ni De'Aaron Fox ng basket, counted and one. At nanggaling naman kay Julius Randle ang first field goal ng Minnesota Timberwolves. Samantalang tinawagan naman dito ng free ground foul penalty 1 itong si Rudy Gobert. Nang dahil hindi niya binigyan dito ng landing space itong si Victor Wembanyama. After nyan, nagsunod-sunod na dito yung opensa ng San Antonio Spurs.
Fox worked inside, hits Wembanyama, trying three again. Play, pitch to the corner, Champagne. Wembanyama from the outside, ball in his hands alive.
Timeout ang Minnesota Timberwolves, lamang ang San Antonio Spurs 17-9. After dito ng timeout, binubuli na dito ni Wembanyama itong si Gobert. Nakapagtala kagad siya dito ng 13 points so far at may 3 pa dito si Wemby.
So he pitches it. Casts it right back to him. Feeling it. Wembanyama. This series, he's been non-existent. Attacks every turnovers. And Conley found on the bench. Got Cornette trying to attack. Looks more aggressive here, Reggie. And one.
Much needed 3 naman dito ng Wolves nang galing kay Anthony Edwards at sinundan niyan dito ng 3 ni Mike Conley. Baba na lang sa single digit ang kalamangan ng San Antonio Spurs. Nakapagtala na rin dito ng 8 points itong si Anthony Edwards. Pero eto, nice putback dunk naman dito ni Keldon Johnson and Ayo Dosunmu with a high of the glass. At nasundan niya ng driving layup ni Naz Reid. Nambuli pa kay Wemby. End of the first quarter, lamang ng San Antonio Spurs 34-30. Total of 18 points si Victor Wembanyama. Start ng second quarter, dalawang sunod na 3 ang pinakawalan dito ng home team.
Defensively on that trip. Fox with time. Takes three.
Nakapag-counter naman dito ng 3 si Jaden McDaniels. Pero tuloy pa rin dito ang opensa ng San Antonio Spurs.
To the line for three. Just catch the ball and dunk it, Rudy. Gobert challenge that here in the West. Vassell is jacking three.
Nice bounce pass naman dito ni McDaniels kay Naz Reid and Harrison Barnes connection to Devin Vassell, alley-oop dunk. At nasundan yan dito ng pull-up jumper ni De'Aaron Fox. Dalawa na sila dito ni Victor Wembanyama ang nakapagtala dito ng double digits.
Fox around Randle. Love for Wemby.
Nakapagtala na dito ng total 20 points itong area ng San Antonio Spurs. Samantalang sa Wolves, wala pa ditong nakakapagtala ng double figure. Matinding depensa ang pinapakita kasi dito ng home team. Hindi makaporma itong si Gobert. Lamang ng 12 points ang San Antonio Spurs, 59-47. Halftime mga idol.